Okay, so manje siyakuma old croco, the veterans Sabafundisi. You said for them you just everything stays the same except ukuthi ufake something. What did you add on top of?
Angisho mkhulu. Ngifuna ukuthi ngile old croco iprofesi yami kufuna ingafani na the new one. Iprofesi yami kufuna ibe above. Uma wena njengami mina mangena endaweni prophet uyabona ukuthi lezinga leli akusila bu banibani ilezinga lokuthi ngakhuluma ungasolo forced ukukhuluma bayokuhleka abantu ngoba uyohamba eceleni so angiphikisana namuntu so nabo laba kule line lelo kunabanye abafuthe kunokuthi ngihlanganele nabo azadala khulile kumele ucalele thina babomafundani sidlala bese uzogcina ngani ngoba uyasilimaza ngani ngilamandla thina phela angisho mase sihlola silinganise masihlola sivele sithi la ekhaya izolo kungena into so last year wenza so noma ungathi uyayidoja mase network mayihlakuke ukuthi hayi man ngiyakhumbula mkhulu vele kwakwenze so kwakusikhathe so masindlula thina sesikhuluma ngicocele net I won't say the name of the person because of he's a legend uhamba la ekhaya athi kimi I told the person ngithi kuye wazi into ekubulala yini ukuthi ungena la wehle athi njani ngithi uhambile wena wayenyangeni enzawuni so eMamboni wasuka enyangeni lapho waphindwa waya kubani athi ha usitiva njani ngithi ungahayi ukawushona sheshe phela mina ndivona naleshi ngale hansi kamsaba so that's why izinto zakho zibhetter because of you are mixing you understand so nomuntu uma eza kimi ngisuka sengimazi ukuthi nomuntu lo noma sengihleli naye ngicode but ngisuka sengazi ukuthi lo muntu lo what must I do ngaye se lokuhlala sithi siya consult se uyibhasela kahle I already knew ukuthi this person mafika kahle nethi ukubonana nawe ngamehlo remember when you came wena azanga sathi siyahlola sathi we stick on the problem that we have we deal with the problem yes so into ezinjalo ukuhlola ngiyakuthanda but angikuthanda but angisho uma umprophet umfundisi webandleni if you prophesy because a lot of people now they like a prophet they don't like a pastor that doesn't
prophesy
yes so that is why if you are a prophet or you are a pastor that has another eye they will follow you
for sure.
Thank you.
So power lapo is basically the more the
prophecy healing.
Okay.
You understand? Okay. When someone comes to your church suffering big time, there is this thing, Prakebi, when you lay hands on a person, that person, if he has a financial problem, so these powers can resolve his problem financially. If the person is sick, when you lay your hands, that person must be healed.
Okay. All right, so that's for the normal one. Sabafundisi Bagdala is still 60K that one, or deposited?
Deposit is 60.
Oh, it's 60. Okay.
Yes, because of I have added the power.
Okay.
That is why I say when you lay hands from a person, even if you have your the pastors in church, if you can be able to give them the prophecy yourself without them to come here, but when the person leaves the church, the prophecy
is okay. It's realized. Okay. So then you decided to split 40-40 Wenzele, our female pastor.
Yes.
Tell us about that.
Family pastors Brakebi. Abo mama abahleleka bahleleki. You understand? So ukuze sithi bo mama akube ukunye. Now amadoda nokuhleleka angahleleki futhi but abo mama remember bayagula. Babuthakathaka. Nini ukuphi nini ubuyela. So you have to build something that will ezohambisana nalesimo sokuthi namhla amantshintshi khala kusasa angaze ngithona ngeke ngibeke ukuthi bantshintshi khala njani angisho ukuthi umuntu usuka abumhlophe abemnyama cha uyabazi bomama mangithi bababuthakathaka ngisho ngalendlela uNkulunkulu abadala ngayo namhla bayali kusasa uyabuya right. Remember even the Bible says umuntu osifazane uma yali needs to stay for 14 days. You understand? Ukuthi acleaneke abe school. So I built something that angeke ukuthi athi hayi namhlanje I'm just preaching only. I won't give prophecy and whatsoever. So ngayakha into ukuthi izokwazi ukuxhumana nalomoya ukwazi ukusiza abantu.
Okay. And for our female pastors, because the last time we had an issue with a lady I remember who was very good with everything, but very small little.
Yeah.
So did you manage ukuthi ufake something so that you can now give them isithunzi ngaphakathi as well?
Prakhebi 100%. Uma sithi singemanage ukwenza izinto ukuthi ikwazi ukuhlukanisa isimo, and then nokuthi manje mafika ngimpe into ukuthi uyangibona mina mangihleli ngathula ngizidu ngisukela, and then nabo mama ngibenze njalo, uyangizwisisa, and wakhuluma ngaqala ngabheka kahle nawe uyabona ukuthi mara usengiyabheda lo baba ngibheka kabuhlungu so ngikhuza njalo senabo mama naye mangena kubheka ngeke umbheke la emehlweni umele uvele uqala
yeah asabe
I can't face my pastor. He's so powerful. Una powerful next. Ilento ngimfake yona mawuzombheka so uyachokeka uyawo.
Okay. All right, nizwele ke bafundisi ukuthi now if you're a new pastor there's something for you. If we pastor your mama there's something for you, and the normal pastors they've added ama powers ngaphakathi. Call Prof and then obviously he'll explain better than I can ngama prizes and also ukuthi lento le izosebenza kanjani if you want to go deep. Prof, siyabonga.
Ngibongile Brakhebi.
Thank you.
Nethi ngicela ukukumosha ne.
All right.
Akangifoneli umuntu afuna ukuthola feda. Akangifonela ezekhaya. Iyahlupha lento umuntu athi Prof ngifuna ukulungisa lento leso so. Angisho ngeke ngilungise ngefoni. So the person must come straight like ekhaya. Mangifonela akathi Prof ngifuna ukunderstand kahle. Umunye njengoba ibhekile uzomuntu ongifonela ngibuze impathe ngishilo ukuthi first pastor is 20,000 deposit is 10,000 abo ma all croc is deposit is 60k and then the balance will be 60k and then bafundisi abancane is 40k 20 abesifazane is 40k deposit is 20k so ungangibuzi ngemali. I don't remember us doing a video you don't ask about money. So mina umuntu ongibuza Prof ngifuna ukuze ekhaya i-deposit ngiphethe. Thank you so much, and please don't forget to tick that button. Click subscribe, all notification. Thank you guys. Yenda.
Sawubona.